Hi friends and merhaba. Welcome to my kitchen. How nice to see you again. We are doing something different today. I am gonna share how to marinate steak or shish kebab with all tips and tricks and details. First, we grate a middle-sized onion. Choose fine part of the grater. We are gonna use only onion juice, so after grating, we squeeze the grated onions by hand. We've got to remove the remaining parts, otherwise these remaining parts will be fired when cooking and seem to an unwanted appearance. And we add about 80 milliliters of some kind of liquid oil, but we shouldn't use olive oil because olive oil freezes at fridge and it doesn't work during marination. And we are adding 50 milliliters of milk. This is optional, not necessary. For seasoning, we add dried red pepper, black pepper and cumin. We shouldn't add dried mint or thyme since they will be fired when cooking. This is another tip as well. You can sprinkle milk and thyme after cooking. Salt also will be added when cooking. I like using minced garlic or powdered garlic. Whisk all the ingredients for a while. As for meat, I am gonna remove excess water by using paper towel. As you see, its color is perfect. You can choose rib steak, beef, lamb chops, shish kebab, etc. This marination sauce is suitable for all meats. Finally, we dip meats in marination sauce, then put in the fridge at least 2 hours. Then it is ready to cook in high temperature. You can use pan or barbecue. I have prepared some shish kebab as well. We get tender, tasty, mouth-watering meats. Please give me a thumbs up like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Take great care. Have a good meal. Key points now.